In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push your Lovable project code to your GitHub account and deploy it on Netlify with a custom domain. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, practical way so you can get your project live without confusion. The overall idea is to connect the code from your Lovable project to GitHub, import that repository into Netlify, deploy it using the default settings, and then connect your own domain so people can access your site with a custom web address. To begin, make sure your Lovable project code has already been pushed to your GitHub account. This is important because Netlify will pull the project directly from GitHub during deployment. Once that's ready, go to Netlify and look for the option to add a new site. From there, choose the option to import an existing project and then select GitHub as the provider. This tells Netlify that your project source will come from a GitHub repository. Next, Netlify will ask you to choose the repository you want to deploy. Select the Lovable repository that contains your project code. After that, you'll see the build configuration screen. In most cases, you can leave the standard build settings exactly as they are. That means the build command should be npm run build, and the published output folder should be set to dist. These settings are commonly used and should work as expected for this type of project. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy to start the deployment process. Netlify will then build your project and publish it online. This may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the deployment is complete, your site will be live on a Netlify-generated URL. That temporary URL is useful for testing, but the next step is what gives your project a more professional appearance. Now go to your site settings in Netlify and open Domain Management. Choose the option to add a custom domain. Enter your domain carefully since even a small typo can cause connection issues later. After adding the domain in Netlify, you'll need to configure your domain's DNS settings with your domain provider. You can do this by creating an A record that points to 75.2.63.5 or by using a key name record to direct traffic to Netlify, depending on how your domain is set up. After the DNS changes are saved, keep in mind that they may take some time to propagate. Once that finishes, your Lovable project should be available on your custom domain through Netlify.